Right. So in this section, we're going to talk about comments in Python programming. Well, what is a comment and why do we even need comments in our in our programming journey? When it comes to Python, when programming something, it is very unfortunate if you don't leave a comment behind the code, especially when you are working with a team and you don't leave a comment at a session at a certain functions you have written. It becomes very hard for the person or for the other colleague to read along or read through your codes. So comments are basically used to disable a function or a line of code which we don't want to run along when debugging or running our code. Secondly, comments are simply used to tell more about what the code is all about. So if you write a function and you want to tell what the function does, but what you want to tell, you don't want it to print, you don't want it to affect your code, then you would have to find a way and use the comment method to write it. Good. Now, how can we put this into practice? Right. So I have list of print statements or prints here. And just as you can see here, when I click on this run, you see I have all the prints printed down here. Now, talking about comments, how do we apply comments? First of all, we have two types of commenting. We have the single line comment and the multiple line comment or the double line comment. But I would like to use the term multiple line comment. Now, how do we apply the single line comment? To apply a single line comment, bring your cursor at the beginning of your code, that which you want to comment out. Now, type hash sign, and this will be commented out. After that, save your project and click on run. Now, the next thing you notice is this print statement, which is hello everyone. This is a basic print. It's actually not showing up here. We only have hello guys. This is just for comments. Icesoft Original is the best. Tomorrow I will go to school. These are the only prints we see here, meaning this hash sign is preventing the interpreter from understanding this as a code written, right? So this simply means you are using the single line comment. Great. Now let's talk about multiple line comment. Let's assume I want to comment these two, but I don't want to use the single line comment by adding um hash and hash here all over again, but I want to comment these two all together or comment these three all together. How can we do that? It's very simple. We simply have to start by typing single quote 6 times, then we divide the 6 into 2, meaning we have 3 on top and 3 at the bottom. Now let's move this 3 at the end of wherever we want to end our comment. Now, the moment you do this, you'll probably see that you have this comment and this. So whatever comes in within this and this, the interpreter treats it as a comment. And when you save your project and you click on run, this will never run in the console. And since you are using comment, it really doesn't matter. You can really add whatever you want to add. And trust me, this is never going to be printed in the console, or is never going to be executed in your project. Let me know your thoughts in the comment and in the comment questions and answer section if you don't understand anything. This is what we have to learn in Python about comments. Let's meet on our next video. Have a nice day.